like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And I'm out of breath and I'm sorry, but I just finished working out and I can't wait for you to see the workout that I just did. Like I said, I'm not a professional fitness coach or trainer or anything like that, but I have been working out and I feel healthy and fit and I feel so good every time and I'm getting results. Now, if you want to have results, just follow me. That's all you have to do. Just follow me and hit that subscribe button below. So let's get started. Just can't hide it. What I'm going to do is by using a bar weight. I have 80 pounds weight here, and then you don't have to use 80 pounds, but you can just use, the weight that you're comfortable with, and then when you're comfortable, over time you can increase the weight. Okay, so let's get started. So lift your weights like this. Okay, and when you go down, make sure that your knees will go over your toe and go as low as you can. And when you go up, squeeze those glutes and also your core. Okay, so you can drink water and then get right away to the next set.
Like a Hellcat.